Hi everyone, Lee again from Lil Em Bobbers. Today I'm doing a clutch cable to clutch hydraulic conversion on my wife's XV1100. I built this bike about 2 years ago. She's only a dainty little thing, so I've had to lower it, and obviously the cable clutch is a bit hard for her when we're doing loads of miles in Europe, if we're ever allowed back in there. Just a bit about the bike, just to talk you through it. This was an XV1100 original, which is the chopper version, and it had a seized crank. I didn't know it was seized at the point of buying it. It just had an irregular knocking noise, which turned out to be the piston wobbling its way up and down the barrel. So yeah, bought it for a steal, to be quite honest. Lowered it by putting an R1 front end on it, which lowered the front of the bike 2 inches, and you'll see at the back there, put some shorter shocks on the back. They're only 10mm shorter, but because of the angle, that's dropped the back about 1 inch. So she can sit on that quite comfortably. You'll see it's probably about, I think the seat height is about 30 inches off the floor. It doesn't leave a lot of clearance, but there's plenty there, you know, just don't do any off-roading. So anyway, at the moment the clutch is a cable clutch. And there she is, which connects into here, and that's what's causing the issues at the moment. So I've bought a kit off of Fleabay, as we like to call it, and that's what I've bought. So this is you put your hydraulic line onto there. I've had to buy these aftermarket clutch master cylinder with a matching brake one, but I don't really want to put the brake one on, but we'll see how poorly it looks, to be quite honest. So yeah, we'll get cracking on it. So this is what I've bought. This section here, essentially it's just a piston which pulls that in, and then it springs back out when your clutch is released. Bought the line off of Comp Brake, company in Billinge, good company, help you out quite a lot. You know, they're pretty friendly, user friendly. But yeah, if you're in Lancashire area, West Lancashire, Billinge, Comp Brake, that's the kiddies. But anyway, yeah, I've set this up on the bench. It's just easier to bleed. So I've got the master cylinder in a vise, and then this on the floor just to get the air up and bleed it that way. So yeah, so let's see how it's going to go on the bike. So as many of you probably know, this is the setup. We're looking to mount this this new bit of kit about here, and then that cable that I just showed you, which goes in and out, pull into here, and we'll run the new cable hose rather through the same line that we've got the original cable on. I've just marked the 2 positions of where we are and where it needs to go to, just so when we do fit it, we can double check that it is travelling the same amount. So yeah, that's about it really. I think it's it sounds a bit too simple at the moment, but we'll see how it goes. So it's on. Bleeding it at the bench was a waste of time, because that nut there is so tight you actually can't spin the nut. So what you have to do is put the nut in and spin this onto it. I've upgraded the nut on this one with like a threaded back, so just so it can get some grip. But yeah, it's on. I have to re-bleed it again now, but seems to fit okay. So re-bleed it and see how it works. Okay, so final bit there. It's all back together, all works. Yeah, works a treat. She's just tried it out. Happy wife, happy life, and all that lot. I did change the silver lever, because her other one on the other side was a black one, so put the black one on, but that's it. Yeah, yeah, all works a treat. So I think all in all, brake line, reservoir lever, and that little gizmo there, all in all, I think cost about 70 quid. So yeah, enjoy. Bye.